Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. Many of you guys ask me why my airbag light is on after repairs guys. And let's say you repaired something on your car, you replace window regulator, radiator fan, whatever it is guys, you disassembled your car, put it together guys, and now you have airbag light on. Stay with us guys, we'll explain that. We'll demonstrate guys on a Chevy, but it should be guys the same pretty much for any car, and we're going to cover today GMC guys, Chevy, Cadillac, Buick, the General Motor vehicles guys. So if guys, okay, let's say you replaced something, let's say radiator fan, and we had to disconnect your front crash airbag sensors guys, because you need to replace the radiator support or radiator fan, you need to pull it out. What is happening now guys? Okay, on most vehicles you will get a code if you forgot to disconnect your car battery. However, on Chevy guys and General Motor vehicle, if you put it together, okay, and everything is there connected, everything should be fine. So we'll explain guys what we're talking about and how to know what is causing your problem. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission here at the shop, okay, is to save you as much money as we can guys. So if you need tools, parts, anything like that, check out the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get everything for our vehicles. Now I'll go inside and I'm going to demonstrate how guys, okay, the airbag light is on. I'll demonstrate which scanner we are using, and I have it already connected to the OBD port. Okay, right there, this is your OBD connection. And if you're guys on the market for a good scanner, I'll definitely guys recommend that thing, especially if you have more than one vehicle. Just using that thing a couple of times can pay itself off, and it works on any car, not just General Motor vehicles. So check it out, it supports pretty much anything guys. They constantly release updates and new vehicles as well. So what I'm going to go ahead, I'll go ahead and start the car now. So after we start the car, you'll notice that airbag light turns back on. After a short period of time, airbag light just turns back on. So I'll zoom in, check it out, airbag light is just on guys. Doesn't go away and even says service airbag. So what we're going to do now, we'll turn it off, turn it back on. Now we're going to select General Motors here. I'll do the manual selection, otherwise you can click VIN. It will decode the VIN number and tell you which vehicle you have, but I'll do manual, it doesn't take much longer, just to show you guys how to do it in case you need to. Cruze, in our case, you select the vehicle, make and model, which engine you have, and now it's loading. It may ask you a couple more questions later, like which radio type you have or anything like that, so you might need to enter that one as well. We click other. Now we click diagnostics and we're going to select control unit, and now right here guys we have inflatable restraint sensing and diagnostic module. Perfect. Now click trouble codes and it's going to give us the code that we have now. Check it out. It says B0084 guys. Okay, it says current status, current mule status, that's the airbag light requested. It says right front impact sensor, high voltage or circuit open. So we guys, as I said, we mess with the radiator fan, but it could be guys window motor, window regulator replacement as well, and you may get that light. So let me turn the car off and I'll show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing to fix that problem now. So I have the car battery disconnected, and now guys it says front right airbag sensor. So as I said, we had to do some work here on the radiator fan and stuff like that. So now this is the front left crash sensor, this is the front right. Everything looks good, but when I checked, I didn't plug the wire all the way in. You can see it's not in guys, and you have that red safety pin, okay, that you need to push all the way in. So let me get a screwdriver quick, okay, or something to just slide that thing over guys, because if you do not install your safety pins on the airbag connectors, what is going to happen guys, they might get loose, okay, if you hit a bump or something. That's why they always have a safety connector somewhere. So I'm going to slide that thing, okay, like that. Now I'll reconnect the car battery guys and we'll continue. So most guys knew Chevy, GMC guys, Cadillac, Buick vehicles, when you fix the problem guys, let's say you reconnect the sensors and all that, when you start the car without clearing the lights or engine, the trouble codes for the airbag system, it should fix itself and the light shouldn't be on. So you can see if you guys even Let's say you worked on front window regulator replacement. You forgot to disconnect your car battery. and you disconnected your side crash impact sensor, guys. Okay, on most vehicles you get an airbag light that you have to manually reset, otherwise it will just stay on all the time. On Chevy and most GM products, guys, newer ones, okay, they have a self-healing system that they test, and if that thing is not present, it will turn the light off on its own. Now if you want to clear the code, okay, check it out, it's going to say not requested now, so it's not current, the light is not requested, so we'll just click clear now. Codes have been successfully erased, no fault codes detected. So that's how you guys take care of that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.